Hey there everyone, Josh Crowfoot here, Crowfoot Law Firm in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'm a commercial real estate lawyer and we're here on day 33 of Commercial Real Estate 101 and we're discussing commercial leases and today we're going to discuss inspection of the premises and what should be negotiated in that provision between landlord and tenant, what's typical, what's customary, and what favors each side. So inspection of the premises refers to the landlord's ability to show up at the premises, inspect it for necessary repairs, enter the premises to place materials there for future repair, and for entering the premises to market the property to a new tenant once the existing tenant's lease expires. Typically a landlord will negotiate a pretty broad provision that allows them to inspect the property with very little notice, maybe a couple of days notice, and with the exception of emergencies, in which case a landlord can immediately enter the premises and do what it needs to make repairs or prevent further damage to the space. Tenants, who are operating businesses, they're fully within their rights to negotiate a provision that limits when a landlord can enter the space. So it might be limiting an inspection to a certain number of times per year or per quarter. They can make sure that it's only happening during business hours or outside of business hours, as the case may be, whichever is more preferable to tenant, usually outside of business hours. Tenants usually aren't going to push back on giving the landlord emergency access, but if you wanted to, you could carve out specific situations that are deemed an emergency and those that are not. When it comes to marketing the property, tenants usually want that to only occur during the last 3 to 6 months of the lease. It just depends really how long it takes the landlord to market the property. Landlords would like a year before the end of the lease term to be able to market the property to other potential tenants, but that is something that is definitely negotiable. Again, inspection of the premises and what's important and how those are negotiated. Hope you learned something new.